Restaurants do not want you to know what I'm about to tell you. Sure, eating out can be a lot of fun, but did you know that long before the waiter brings you the check, the restaurant has already reached for your wallet? Scary, I know. So it's time to serve up some secrets that the restaurant industry doesn't want you to know about. Let's count down the 10 best-kept secrets from the restaurant industry, with numbers 5 through 1 being big budget savers. Number 10. Ever wonder why some restaurants play music so loudly? A study from Fairfield University once proved that loud music makes you chew faster, which helps restaurants get customers in and out of their seats as quickly as possible. That means way more money in their till. Number 9. The type of music matters too. Researchers also discovered that classical music makes you feel wealthier, which makes you spend more on food than you usually would. Number 8. Music isn't the only thing you should be listening for. Sizzling foods like fajitas sound so appetizing that when other diners hear it being served, they want it too. In fact, some kitchens have been known to make extra orders of these sizzly foods after the first one is ordered because they know the demand will increase once everyone else hears it. But restaurants don't just use sound to their advantage. Number 7. Certain colors have effect on your eating habits too. Ever notice how a lot of fast food joints have used yellow and red in their logo? Those colors are known to draw you in and kick your appetite into high gear. Are you hungry yet? No? Okay, well just give it some time. Number 6. Even the menu plays tricks on you. Did you know that people are more inclined to order dishes that are named after family members? Which is why you'll see dishes like Grandma's Biscuits or Mom's Meatloaf. Who are those people? I don't know, but now I want to eat it. Here's another menu secret for number 5. Ever see a ridiculous price on the menu and think, who in their right mind would pay that much for one meal? Yeah, those are called anchors. When you see these unusually expensive items, it makes the rest of the menu suddenly seem a lot cheaper by comparison. And at number 4, we have another cost-saving tip. The cheapest wine on the menu often tastes better than the second cheapest. See, most people go for the second lowest priced wine they can find because they think that ordering the absolute cheapest will make them seem, well, cheap. But here's the thing. Restaurants are one step ahead of you. They know what you're doing, so they often mark up the second cheapest option or just make it a bottle that they're trying to get rid of. Sneaky, sneaky. Number 3. Everyone knows that restaurants mark up food, but did you know the absolute worst values on the menu? Based on the simplicity of preparing plus the cost of the items, a side dish of potatoes is one of the worst values on the menu, followed by pasta, which, by the way, it's pretty easy to cook at home. And tea. Do not, I beg you, order hot water and a tea bag for $4. For the love of everything budget-friendly. Number 2. Always look at the bottom left of the menu first. When you first open the menu, your eyes naturally go to the upper right. So restaurants like to place the least profitable items in the lower left. Number 1. Buffets always place the low-cost foods at the beginning. Most people stock up on these and don't have enough room for the more expensive menu items, which means you're not getting the best bang for your buck. So, have you ever been fooled by these sneaky restaurant secrets? Let me know in the comments below and spread the truth about the restaurant industry by sharing this video.